Mike Stokes, Lush Design Build. Today I just wanted to show you how we treat the ends of pressure treated wood. A quick note on sustainability. This is a copper preservative, which is, not a real ecological product. And this is a emulsifying asphalt emulsion sealer, which again, not a very green product. But in green building, we're always making adjustments, trying to figure out what's the best that we can do with the materials that we have. And when we're putting a big piece of lumber up, we want this to last as long as it can. So I make a sacrifice in using something slightly more toxic on this piece of wood so that we don't have to replace it because of all the embodied energy in replacing this in the future. And then another thing that a lot of people don't think about in green building is that this right here, the longer this piece of wood lasts, that's a carbon sequestration. We just took carbon out of the atmosphere and stuck it in this building. So the more times I have to replace this, the more times I not only have to do all the things associated with cutting down more lumber, I also am taking this carbon and putting it back into the atmosphere. So that being said, here is my preferred method for making pressure treated wood last as long as it can, an exterior grade wood. If you look up at that end up there, you'll see where we've already painted the end of that beam, and we want that beam to last as long as we possibly can. Just a quick note, during my career as a builder, most of the decking and exterior wood problems that I see are the ends of exterior wood that has not been properly treated. So make sure that you treat the ends of your wood. So this is what we do. We use this copper green wood preservative, and then we also use a Henry's emulsified tar. We used to just paint this on first, the copper green, and then paint the emulsified tar on afterwards, but it ended up just turning into a slurry. So we make a tar copper green asphalt emulsion slurry and then paint that thing on its own. So that is our preferred technique for preserving wood. Hope that's helpful.